Welcome to AI Controller. In this video, we'll discuss the basics of AI, its applications in various industries, and its potential impact on the workforce. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming the way we live and work. It is a branch of computer science that involves the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, decision-making, and language translation. AI has the potential to revolutionize various industries and transform our lives in ways we cannot yet imagine. In recent years, the power of AI has grown exponentially, thanks to advancements in machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. These technologies have made it possible for machines to learn from vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make decisions without explicit instructions. The applications of AI are numerous, including healthcare, transportation, education, finance, entertainment, and more. AI has the potential to change the way we work by automating repetitive and time-consuming tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more strategic and creative endeavors. For example, AI-powered chatbots can handle routine customer inquiries, leaving human customer service representatives to handle more complex issues. In manufacturing, robots can perform dangerous and physically demanding tasks, reducing the risk of injury to human workers. In the financial sector, AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data and make predictions to inform investment decisions. However, the increasing power of AI also raises concerns about the impact it may have on society. There are concerns about job displacement and the potential for AI to be used in ways that violate privacy or lead to discriminatory practices. It is important to consider these ethical implications as AI continues to grow and evolve. Overall, the power of AI is undeniable. It has the potential to revolutionize various industries and transform our lives in ways we cannot yet imagine. However, it is important to approach AI development and implementation with caution and consideration for its ethical implications. By exploring the power of AI and understanding its capabilities and limitations, we can harness its potential to make our world a better place. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on the latest technology trends and developments.